Recently, Polestar lost a funding source in Volvo and now has a new loan facility to tap. It secured $950 million in funding from a group of global banks. Polestar thinks it will be on pace for an annual run rate of 155,000 EVs by the end of the year. However, the charts are saying otherwise. This is the daily chart, and ever since price pulled back to that weekly sellers level at $2.90, price has been making lower lows and lower highs, and I believe price breaks 160 in the coming weeks, eventually breaking the all-time lows near the $1.30 level. Now, before we look at high time frames, let's look at this article. So investors have been losing confidence in EV maker Polestar over the last month. That is until today. In that time, Swedish automaker Volvo announced that it would stop funding the EV startup in which it owns a nearly 50% stake. That came after Polestar said it would miss its 2023 vehicle production target. Even though Volvo decided to end its funding support just as the EV maker ramps up production, the Swedish car maker isn't abandoning it completely. Volvo's top shareholder in China-based Geely Holding, Geely would be taking over the support of Polestar's growth. Now, Polestar announced that it secured $950 million in funding on its own. A group of international banks will provide the company with a new 3-year loan facility. The CEO said, together with Geely's full financial support and access to innovative technology and engineering expertise, they believe they have reinforced their path towards cash flow break-even, targeted in 2025. Now, it believes a strong second half of 2024 will allow it to achieve its 2025 goals, as its two SUV models ramp up to full production and global distribution. However, some investors jumped into the stock on that news, though it might make more sense to approach the stock with some skepticism until it starts to report those production financial numbers. And as you can see on the daily chart, this was the news that caused this current, we'll say, retracement. However, these down legs, we're going to say, are the impulse moves. Retracement, impulse move, retracement, impulse move. Now, I just wanted to show you that weekly sellers level a bit better on the weekly chart. And what you can see is have a drop in price, basing candle, then the drop in price, pull back, great opportunity short, breaking the pivot low. Again, pull back, next down leg, breaking the pivot low, pull back, breaking next pivot low, pull back. Question is, are we going to break all-time lows? That remains to be seen. This is the RSI, and it's hovering near that 40 point level. And so right now, there's still more downside risk. If you get above 50, potentially that is the beginning of an uptrend, or at least price pausing to the downside. But again, let's see what happens over the coming weeks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.